Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a setup on this Ring Pan Tilt Indoor Camera. Here's everything that comes in the box. Let's look everything over. We've got a cable. We'll measure how long that is. We do have to plug this into a wall outlet. It's got USB-A output. This does have to be plugged in all the time. There's no battery installed in it, and it's indoor use only. We do get a little clamp here if we want to clamp the cable. 3 screws. This is the mounting bracket. A little sticker, and here's also the mounting bracket. Okay, so you can mount this to the wall. There is an up arrow, and it's got 2, you come with the screws. Mount that to the wall, and now this will slide onto it. Right there's where it slides on. You'll hear kind of a click, and it gives it kind of an angle. Now this will attach to this. Find the back. There's a little area for that to go into. And you're gonna have to slide this in. So you start off like this, okay? Put the back in first, then put that in. Now slide it forward. Now grab it by the bottom base, grab it by this part here. It should slide forward and kind of click into place. Then when you wanna take it off, slide it back just a little bit, and now I can lift it up. Put it on, slide it forward. Again, this is if you want to mount it to the wall. You can just set this on the table and that would be perfectly fine. It's going to rotate and it can tilt that up or down. But we do have to make sure the USB-C cable is plugged into the back side of it. There's a QR code here that you're going to scan to set it up for the first time. And it does have the privacy window. So I just moved this to lock position. And that's going to lock this. I can't look through the camera. I can't listen to it anymore. And you'll get a little tone letting you know that it's locked. Then to unlock it, it's spring loaded. Let's go over some measurements. 4.5 inches it sticks out from the wall to the center of it's about 3 1/4. Height wise overall 6 1/4. Left to right's about 2 1/2. And you can see that bracket's about 1 3/4 circle, and the screws are about 1 inch apart. And there's little gripper pads here. I could just set this on the table. Okay, the USB-C cable is 10 feet long. Let's go over the power adapter. So I can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts, 2 amps for 10 watts. And it sticks out from the wall 1 7/8 by 1.5 inches by 1 inch. So again, this does have to be powered up the entire time. Let's plug this in. Let's plug this into the wall. Now, if I'm using the wall adapter, I would want the USB-C cable to come up through this little hole right here. Yeah, I'd want the USB-C cable to come up and plug into but I'm gonna plug it in right here. Okay, there it is. We're powering it up for the very first time. Let's see what happens. The light is flashing and it's going to turn. I think this might be like a calibration process. It's going to go into a mode where you're going to open up the Ring app and add it as a new device. Okay, so connecting it to the app was super simple. All right. So you just got to make sure your, like my iPhone that I was using, it's on the same Wi-Fi that you want this to connect to. And then you'll just add device, scan the QR code on the back, and then tell it where it's going to be located, give it the Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi password. So with these pan tilts, it's really important to select the home position. So whenever the Ring, whenever the camera is just sitting here stationary, it may be, you want to point it in a certain direction all the time because it's not going to pan and tilt if it sees somebody. So put it in an area where you want it to sense the motion for the motion alerts. That's called the home position. But it does have an update to do. Okay, so I've set the home position up. Here's what the video quality looks like. It's very nice. Let's go to the pan tilt. Here's the buttons now. We can see I can move it down. It's very responsive. Up, left, or left and right. Again, 360 degrees. Let's watch it spin all the way around. There is a blue light on it to let you know. Now, it won't go completely around. You got to go back the other way if you want to go look. but it will go 360 degrees. It's very quiet. I don't hear it moving at all. There's all the way down. There's all the way up. Let's go all the way up. Wow. Yeah, so if it was sitting on the table, you would need, looks like about 5 inches. That's why the wall bracket sticks out from the wall at an angle to give you the proper depth. Now, when you exit the live mode, you see how when I had it in live, I had it tilted all the way back. When you exit the live mode, it goes back to its home position. That's why the home position is so important. Now, it does have a speaker. I can speak to it. I have two-way communication with someone, and I can also listen. But here's the privacy window. Yeah, you get that little ding dong, and it does have a built-in siren also. We can set up all kinds of different motion settings. This is a really, really nice camera. It does 1080p high definition video. So I hope this unboxing and setup video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.